How to transfer your TikTok account to another phone on Android. This tutorial shows you how to log into your account on a new device, quickly and easily. First, open the TikTok app on your old phone and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, tap the three lines at the top right corner to open the menu. From there, tap on Settings and Privacy to open the settings page. At this point, tap on Account, and then tap on Account Information to find your login email address. Take note of it as you'll need it on the new phone. In the next step, once you have your email ready, tap back and scroll down to find the Log Out option, and tap it to sign out of your account on the old device. Following this, pick up your new phone and open the TikTok app. Once done, tap on Use Phone, Email, or Username from the login screen. From here, select Email or Username and type in the email address linked to your TikTok account. At this stage, tap Continue and TikTok will send a verification code straight to your email. Open your email app and grab that code. Finally, enter the verification code on the TikTok login screen and you'll be signed straight into your account on the new phone with everything exactly as you left it. And that's it. If this guide helped you transfer your TikTok account to a new phone, give it a like, subscribe for more TikTok tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.